update you with the events and activities held in the month of October. Big stories from Himalaya International School Ratlam, because you deserve nothing but the truth. On 1st of October, students ended up term 1 examination. On 7th of October, Himalaya International School celebrated Navrotsav. Dandiya Ras competition was organized for kindergarten kids and students of grade 1st to 5th. To make the celebration more creative, Matki decoration activity for UKG, Dandiya decoration for LKG and Goddess Durga face decoration worksheet activity for nursery students was conducted. Our kids learned to spread the message of joy and festivity among others. The celebration created many overlasting memories for our little ones to be cherished forever. The colourful Dandiya Ras regenerated the festival's vibrancy and made the celebration more colourful. From 2nd to 6th October, HIS organized an excursion tour to Mount Abu, Udaipur and Chittorgarh for the students of grade 5th to 7th. From 10th October to 15th October, students of grade 8th to 11th went on an educational tour to Lonavala, Imagika and Mahabaleshwar. This trip proved that educational trips are an excellent way for incorporating knowledge into young minds and taught the students to be self-sufficient. HIS believes that learning through entertainment is the best form of education. 11th of October, Himalaya International School celebrated International Day of Girl Child. To commemorate this day, HIS organized tiara making competition for girls of grade 6 to 11 and poster making competition for grade 3rd to 5th. These constructive activities gave the students a platform to showcase their hidden talents and creative skills. Every year on 13th of October, International Day for Disaster Risk Reduction is observed to educate people around the world on how they can lower the risk faced by natural disaster. So on 12th of October, HIS Ratlam observed International Day for Disaster Reduction and conducted inter-class Natural Disaster Reduction Model Making Competition for grade 6 to 11. Academic Director HS Khalsa Sir and Principal Mrs. Sonal Bhatt Ma'am appreciated the creativity and efforts done by students. On 15th of October, International Students' Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who also served as the 11th President of India. To honor Mr. APJ Kalam, week-long activities under the theme Learning for People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace were organized at HIS. Amidst various activities, on 14th of October, movies based on the learning from Kalam's life were screened for the students of grade 1st and 2nd. Students enjoyed short film based on the life of Missile Man of India, his great inventions and contribution towards our nation. Roleplay competition on the theme Universe and Galaxy was organized on 14th of October for the students of grade 3rd to 5th, which was a great exposure and learning experience for the students. In the series, Inter-House Speech Competition was held for grade 6 to 8 on the topic Learning for People, Planet, Prosperity and Peace, and Inter-House Declamation Competition for grade 9 to 12 on the topic Dr. APJ Kalam and his intellectual sides were organized. Students mesmerized the audience with their oratory skills and impressed all. Himalaya International School conducted Term 1 Result Declaration Parent-Teacher Meet on 16th of October. An award ceremony was held to felicitate the winners of different competitions conducted during Term 1 for the students of grade nursery to 2. Parents expressed their gratitude and appreciated the efforts being put in by the teachers towards the progress of their work. Himalaya International School celebrated the festival of Diwali with devotion, enthusiasm and excitement. Various competitions like lantern making, toran making, diya decoration, wall hanging making, painting competition depicting Ramayana were held for students of grade 1st to 5th. Inter-House Rangoli making competition for grade 6 to 8 and Inter-House Festive Welcome Decoration competition for grade 9 to 12. Diwali exhibition cum sale fair was organized at Himalaya International School on 21st of October. The students exhibited a perfect combination of artistic skills and entrepreneurship and got a stage to present their ideas and showcase their abilities. Students displayed various handmade decorative items which were put on sale. Himalaya International School proved one more time that it is one such institution that goes beyond plain academics in an attempt to inculcate versatility among its students. As the fun-filled day came to an end, the students left for a festive break with a heart full of happiness and excitement. On 31st of October, Halloween Day was celebrated by the students of grade nursery to 2. To mark the welcoming of good spirits and driving away of bad spirits from their lives, the students came dressed up in various outfits. Students played Halloween-themed games and enjoyed the Halloween decorative activity room. This event was organized to help students pursue fun-filled education and also to make them aware of global festivals and values.
मैं कार्तिक अक्टूबर माह की गतिविधियों का विवरण दे रहा हूँ। 1 अक्टूबर को छात्रों ने टर्म 1 की परीक्षा समाप्त की। 2 से 6 अक्टूबर तक HIS ने 5वीं से 7वीं कक्षा के छात्रों के लिए माउंट आबू, उदयपुर और चित्तौड़गढ़ भ्रमण का आयोजन किया। 7 अक्टूबर को नर्सरी से 5वीं कक्षा तक के लिए डांडिया रास प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन किया गया। 10 से 15 अक्टूबर 8वीं से 11वीं कक्षा के छात्रों के लिए लोनावाला इमेजिका महाबलेश्वर भ्रमण यात्रा का आयोजन किया गया। अंतर्राष्ट्रीय बालिका दिवस के अवसर पर 11 अक्टूबर को कक्षा 6ठी से 11वीं तक के छात्राओं के लिए तियारा मेकिंग प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन किया गया। प्रत्येक वर्ष 13 अक्टूबर को राष्ट्रीय आपदा न्यूनीकरण दिवस मनाया जाता है। इसीलिए 12 अक्टूबर को कक्षा 6ठी से 11वीं के लिए इंटर क्लास प्राकृतिक आपदा न्यूनीकरण मॉडल बनाने की प्रतियोगिता आयोजित की गई। 15 अक्टूबर को डॉक्टर एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम की जयंती को अंतर्राष्ट्रीय छात्र दिवस के रूप में मनाया गया। 14 अक्टूबर को कक्षा 1वीं तथा 2री के छात्रों को डॉक्टर एपीजे कलाम के जीवन से संबंधित चलचित्र दिखाए गए। इसी श्रृंखला में कक्षा 3री से 5वीं के लिए ब्रह्मांड और आकाशगंगा विषय पर रोल प्ले आयोजित किया गया था। इसके अलावा कक्षा 6ठी से 8वीं तक के छात्रों के लिए पीपल, प्लैनेट, प्रॉस्पेरिटी एंड पीस विषय पर इंटर हाउस भाषण प्रतियोगिता आयोजित की गई और कक्षा 9वीं से 12वीं के लिए डॉक्टर एपीजे कलाम और उनके बौद्धिक विचार विषय पर इंटर हाउस डेक्लेमेशन प्रतियोगिता आयोजित की गई। 16 अक्टूबर को टर्म 1 की परीक्षा के परिणाम की घोषणा के लिए अभिभावक शिक्षक बैठक आयोजित की गई। विभिन्न प्रतियोगिताओं के विजेताओं को सम्मानित करने के लिए एक पुरस्कार समारोह आयोजित किया गया। अक्टूबर के तीसरे सप्ताह में 17 से 21 हिमालय इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ने दिवाली का प्रकाश पर्व विषय के तहत विभिन्न गतिविधियों और प्रतियोगिताओं का आयोजन किया। 21 अक्टूबर को कक्षा 1 के लिए दिया साज सज्जा प्रतियोगिता, कक्षा 2 के लिए तोरण मेकिंग प्रतियोगिता, 3री से 5वीं कक्षा के लिए दिए साज सज्जा प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन किया गया। कक्षा 9वीं से 12वीं के लिए इंटर हाउस फेस्टिव वेलकम डेकोरेशन प्रतियोगिता का आयोजन किया गया। मुख्य आकर्षण हिमालय इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के छात्रों द्वारा बनाई गई हस्त निर्मित वस्तुओं का दिवाली प्रदर्शन सह बिक्री मेला था। कक्षा नर्सरी, एलकेजी, यूकेजी तथा ग्रेड 1ली व 2री के छात्रों को वैश्विक त्योहारों और मूल्यों के बारे में जागरूक करने के लिए 31 अक्टूबर को हैलोवीन दिवस मनाया गया।
Hello everyone, I am Katrina with the sports news for month of October. 2 students of Himalaya International School were selected in state level lawn tennis competition. Harsh Damor of Himalaya International School has been selected in the junior category and Gaurav Damor in the sub-junior category in the state level lawn tennis competition held at Devas. While performing excellently in the division level competition, they secured first position and on the basis of this, they were selected in the state level competition. Teams from Indore, Bhopal, Jabalpur, Gwalior, Rewa, Satna, Shahdol, Narmadapuram, Ujjain, Sagar will participate in this competition. 8 students of junior boys section of Himalaya International School, 8 students in sub-junior category and 3 students in the junior girls category performed excellently in the football competition held at division level in Neemuch. In the competition, Kunj Nayak, goalkeeper, Pratyush Patidar, Sharvan and Ashish Vasunia played an important role in winning Ratlam district. 3 students of Himalaya International School were selected in division level karate competition. Raghvendra Singh Bharat, Rishika Patidar and Gauri Patidar of Himalaya International School have been selected in the division level school karate competition held in Devas. While performing excellently in the district level competition, students secured the first place and will participate at division level with teams of Devas, Ujjain, Shajipur, Agar, Neemuch, Mandsaur and Ratlam in the competition. Students brought laurels to school in the various sports competition held at district and state level. An inter-house volleyball competition was held at Himalaya International School on 14th of October. 50 students from grade 9 to 12 participated. The coordination of reflexes and balance on the court was appreciated by all. The students of the Panther House won the final match. Jaguar House got the second position and Tiger House secured third position. All the 4 houses participated with enthusiasm and great sportsman spirit.
This was all for the month of October. I, Ashita Rajpuri, sign off for now.